off with your yellow. And you color this yellow. Oh, you can't see that. First thing you're going to do is you're going to color in your yellow dark here. And you'll color yellow in again here. Then you'll color in your red. And your red. You will color it in nicer than I am coloring it in. Then you will color in your blue. And your blue. Now when it's time for the secondary colors, you color in one, and then you go right over it again with your second one. I almost always do the yellows first because I think it's easier. And it makes the orange. Now it makes the green. Now that we've made that, now we go out here. I made this by going yellow first, then the blue. So that's what I do out here. I made this one right here by going yellow first, then the red. That's how I made my orange. I made this one by going blue first, and then my red. That's how I made my purple. Now over here, I need to have orange and red. So I have to first make my orange, which was yellow, then the red. So I made my orange, but now I have to add more red because this red is here. So I add another layer of red, and I've made this color. Right here is purple, which I made by going blue, then red. To make my purple, well, now I have to add more red, so I add another layer of red on there. Now I've made this color. Here is purple and blue, so I need to make my blue, and then I need to do a second layer of blue, and then my red to make my purpley color, and that's how I make this one. Now here is my green and my blue, so I started with my yellow, then I made my blue on there to make it green, and then I add another layer of blue on there to make the bluish green, and then this last one was yellow. Oh no, I have two more. Yellow, then yellow again with just a little bit of blue. Makes this one, and then this one was the yellow with the red, and then another layer of yellow.